Ever wondered how much you can send through Paysend? Is there a limit to how much you can transfer? Well, let's dive into that and find out together. Imagine you're planning a surprise trip for your family or a significant investment. You need to transfer a substantial amount of money quickly and securely. Paysend seems like a great option, but what's the maximum you can send? Before we get to the specifics, let's understand a bit about Paysend. It's a global money transfer service that allows you to send money to friends, family, and businesses worldwide. It's known for its fast, affordable, and convenient service. The maximum transfer limit. Now, the million-dollar question, what's the maximum amount you can send on Paysend? Well, the good news is that there isn't a fixed maximum limit. However, there are a few factors that can influence the maximum amount you can transfer. Your account type, the type of Paysend account you have will determine the maximum amount you can send. For instance, verified accounts typically have higher limits compared to unverified ones. Your country, the country you're sending from, and the country you're sending to can also affect the maximum transfer amount. Some countries may have specific regulations or limitations in place. Paysend's internal policies. Paysend may have internal policies that limit the maximum transfer amount for certain reasons, such as to prevent fraud or money laundering. Additional considerations. While there isn't a fixed maximum transfer limit, there are a few other things to keep in mind. Transfer fees. Paysend charges a fee for each transfer. The fee may vary depending on the amount you're sending and the countries involved. Exchange rates. When you send money internationally, the exchange rate will also affect the final amount received by the recipient. Verification requirements. To send larger amounts, you may be required to provide additional verification documents, such as proof of identity or address. Tips for maximizing your transfers. If you need to send a large amount of money, here are a few tips. Verify your account. Ensure that your Paysend account is fully verified to enjoy higher transfer limits. Check country regulations. Familiarize yourself with the regulations in your country and the country you're sending to regarding international money transfers. Consider multiple transfers. If you need to send a very large amount, you may be able to divide it into multiple smaller transfers. Contact Paysend support. If you have any questions or concerns about your transfer limits, don't hesitate to contact Paysend's customer support. So, while there isn't a fixed maximum transfer limit on Paysend, several factors can influence the amount you can send. By understanding these factors and following the tips we've discussed, you can make the most of Paysend services and send money securely and efficiently. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.